Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation at the rate 80 word per minute. Okay, start. The state governments and the various institutions which are attached to these governments are concerned. The second is private consumption, where commercial credit, etc., is being utilized. The third is the illegitimate sector, the black money sector. Unless we tackle all these three sectors, we may not be able to achieve results on an enduring basis. Sir, as far as financial discipline in the government servant is concerned, naturally the central government will have to set an example. In that regard, even my distinguished predecessor has been reviewing the situation periodically and trying to find out where non-plan or non-developmental expenditure could be curtailed, and where even when expenditures have been incurred, whether certain projects could be postponed without affecting the immediate economy, particularly projects which have a long gestation period. Therefore, it will have to be a continuing exercise within the central government, where all the ministries will have to cooperate. And I am glad to say that there has been cooperation and response from all the ministries with regard to this aspect. Naturally, the state governments also have to observe this financial discipline. Sir, honorable members might remember that up to 1972, the state governments had used overdrafts from the Reserve Bank for their resource purposes, and after a certain time it looked as if there were competition among the states with regard to overdrafts from the Reserve Bank, and this was leading to a very delicate and embarrassing situation. It was towards the end of 1971, when I was in the planning ministry, that we took up this question, and in consultation with the state governments, we came to a decision that these overdrafts should not be permitted, and no state government should be allowed to run overdrafts for the purpose of increasing their resources. So, various guidelines were laid down for the purpose that if the overdraft continues for more than a week, then notice would be given and even payments would be stopped and so on. Fortunately, it had a good effect, and I am glad to say that as far as the question of overdraft is concerned, more or less the discipline is being observed by the various state governments, even though there are certain hard cases in discussion with them and in discussion with the Reserve Bank. We have taken various measures with regard to these one or two states to tide over the situation. Then came from 1971-72 onwards these drought relief and flood relief works. Large sums have been spent on these drought relief and फ्लड रिलीफ वर्क्स. स्टॉप. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.